Hello, aspirants. How are you all? This is Anmol Jalan from 12 Minutes to Clat, your English educated from the platform. And in this video, I'm going to talk about editorials. The Hindu editorial, the Indian Express editorial. Ma'am, every day you have been coming and telling us, read editorials, read editorials, read editorials. But जब पढ़ते हैं कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आता है. And we are not at all getting interest in reading editorials, right? So first of all, why is it important to read editorials? ये समझना बहुत जरूरी है, right? We need to understand कि आखिर editorial पढ़ना क्यों है and why have we been telling you please read down the editorials, right? See, first of all, understand that reading editorials not only helps you in enhancing your vocabulary and reading skills, but also because editorials are from newspapers, they are related from the current topics of legal affairs, critical reasoning, current affairs, etc., right? So obviously they helps you in developing argumentation, they helps you in developing a good information on current affair or any legal thing that is going around you. So overall, a single editorial will not only help you in enhancing vocabulary, but it will also help you in preparing for your current affairs section. It will also help you in raising your hands on legal affairs, and also will help you in developing argumentation and central theme. I'll tell you how. See, the first day when you will start off with your editorials, obviously the language is not so easy to understand, and also the topics may not be very interesting for you to keep interested in reading, and you can continue it for a longer period of time. So first of all, start with scanning the title and first few lines. When you scan the title, obviously you will find something interesting and quirky that may hit your attention, and if not, it will at least help you in identifying the topic that it's going to be talking about, right? So to develop interest, first of all, start with headlines and talk about the few starting lines. This will help you in also developing interest and finding out the correct structure of the argument, okay? Because obviously as you will go through the editorial, the first structure you'll find out that there is an introduction to the topic, and then they go on with the conclusion, argumentation, and there is call to action or something, right? So this is a particular type of passage, and you need to deal the editorial as a flat passage only, because sometimes we have seen that the editorials from the opinion pages are directly being printed in your CLAT examination paper, and so analyzing and reading vocabulary from editorial will obviously help you in getting a direct hit to the passage that is being asked in the CLAT, okay? So this way, first of all, scanning the title and scanning upon the few starting lines of the editorial. Number 2, try finding out the hard words. Go on underlining the hard words that you find out and jot them down. Later on, you can find out their meanings and synonyms and antonyms and write down them in that particular book, and that is same as your editorial journal also, okay? Now moving upon, you will give a second read, because now you have a collection of meanings for whatever words you have already read. So while giving the second reading, obviously it will be more easy for you to understand, because एक बार तो आपने already read कर लिया है, अब आपके पास hard words भी हैं, उनकी meanings भी हैं, तो आप meanings को relate करके editorial को आराम से समझ सकते हो, right? Now coming down to summarizing. See, because obviously CLAT का अगर सिर्फ English section की बात करें, you have a passage based paper, right? Or in that you need to analyze the paper, you need to comprehend the passage, and you need to answer it, right? और ये सारी चीजें करने के लिए you have very limited time. So summarizing will help you a lot. जितना अच्छे से summarize कर पाओगे, उतना ज्यादा अच्छा आपके लिए retention power होगा, and you will be able to find out the central idea, argument every day, right? तो क्या करो, पहले summarize कर लो, and then to find out the central idea or the theme of the passage and write it down every day. तो इससे आपकी अच्छी खासी practice हो जाओगी. Now, critical reasoning में कैसे help करेगा? Central argument निकाल सकते हो आप, right? Strengthening and weakening points निकाल सकते हो आप. Again, ये एक single article can help you in preparing for all the sections, ठीक है? आप current affairs की बात करें तो obviously अगर ये कोई current news से है तो आपको information, dates, important events ये सारे मिल सकते हैं. Legal की बात करें तो obviously अगर कुछ legal topic है या political, economical issue है तो you will understand legal words and terms with this vocabulary of that particular editorial. तो ये सारी चीजें एक single editorial से कर सकते हो. ना क्या इसका free source अवेलेबल है? Yes. टेलीग्राम चैनल पे जाओगे तो you'll find the Hindu editorial, the Indian Express editorial के free links है, जहाँ पर every day तो editorial create होता है, right? So if they are posting the free editorials, you can spend 30 minutes of time every day. पता नहीं spend करना, 30 minutes. 15 minutes for reading, vocabulary, और 15 minutes में summarize करके central argument ये सब निकालना है. You don't need to spend the whole day there, okay? And also remember to keep it regularly. Obviously I've been repeating every day. Consistency is the key. एक दिन किया, फिर 5 days का break ले लिया, या 3 days किया, 2 दिन फिर नहीं किया. This will not help you in developing a constant speed and pace, okay? And also अगर आपको reading speed बढ़ानी है through editorials, then also you can read time bound reading. Timer लगा लो अपने फोन पर और read करो. This will again help you बहुत ज़्यादा. And not to forget, we have brainstorming with editorial classes every week on our platform, okay? और also YouTube पे भी we'll do a weekly vocabulary roundup from the newspaper. So ये दोनों classes करने से आपके vocabulary test भी हो जाएगी, और brainstorming वाले classes में I will tell you more about how to analyze that particular particular editorial with the point of CLAT. Okay, so all these particular things will obviously help you in preparing well for your CLAT examination. I hope आज से आपको editorials इतना भी difficult नहीं लगेगा, और लगा तो we will surely bring more videos for you to help in them. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, and remember, consistency is the key. So keep practicing, keep reading. Read, practice, and this way you will prepare well for your CLAT examination. So wishing you all the best. Do not forget to subscribe to 12 Minutes to CLAT and keep watching. Take care, bye-bye. Have a good day, everyone.